Hello everyone, this is William from Shineworld, and this is our factory. Today I will introduce some kinds of optical fiber machines to you. So please follow me. On my right hand, there are three active dragon payoff, and those are different parts of the machine that will be shipped to the abroad. These are some boxes of machine parts. They have been packed and will be sent to the abroad. This is our warehouse of the accessories and tools. Just take a look. This is our spare part production factory. In this factory, we produce the spare part and assemble the machines.